Welcome to our Tripwire Buyer Traffic review. Dave here from davefinreviews.com, and thanks for stopping by to learn more about this new buyer traffic method from Aidan Cokery. Now, as you can see, I'm in the members area. I'm going to be going over that and what you can learn in this training. First, let me just drop over to this sales page. This is the sales page, and this because the headline simply reads, ex-high school teacher who made over $303.75 per day with a simple tripwire method. This is a different method from anything you've seen before. If you want to read this, you can do so simply by clicking the link below this video. You're going to get some income results. If you've been part of the instant buyer traffic, then you know that Aidan's the real deal. Okay, so let me just head back over and show you what you guys are going to be getting. Okay, so what is the Tripwire Buyer Traffic? Basically it's a brand new case study that Aidan's put together that's going to involve messenger marketing, so pretty much messenger bots. This is going to allow you to build a highly targeted list of buyer friends, all with free traffic from Facebook. Now, it's not kind of like the same thing as the instant buyer traffic one. This is completely different. Now, many people do this type of marketing in line with their email marketing, but unlike emails, this method offers like a far greater response rate than emails, and a far better click-through rate as well. Now, this is something that Aidan does kind of like every day, and if you're part of his instant buyer group traffic group, then you're going to know how effective this particular method is, and this one promises to be an even more effective approach. So let's just talk about what this training is going to teach you and how you can grow a buyer bot list for free on autopilot. Basically, most of the method is taught in this second module, which is pretty much shows you how to use this method. The tripwire pages that Aidan shows you how to set up. He'll be showing you how to get paid as well doing this, and you'll be automating the whole process. Okay, and you get case studies as well. So let me just run through each of these modules. So basically, the first module, that's a welcome video. Module 1 is an overview of the whole course. And he's going to be teaching you how to reach out to your buyer audience, get people's attention, get people to your bots. All that's covered in this module. Second module is all new content. None of this is you've seen before. This is all new stuff, and this is basically where all the magic happens. Also, and you get case studies as well. So in this module 3, this is where you can apply the tripwire method to affiliate offers, so you can be making money while you're building your buyers list. So picking an offer, coupon post, tripwire one, the ManyChat landing page, PDF bonuses, and all that kind of stuff. And the module 4 is actually creating your eye-catching bonuses and a $709 case study. So that's basically it for this overview. The videos are pretty long, so there's plenty to keep you occupied. So that's basically it. Now, you guys can get instant access to this simply by clicking the link below this video, and once you get access, you can start building your 100% free buyer traffic list using this new approach from Aidan. Okay guys, so that's about it for this brief video. I'll catch you later on the next one. Bye.